join us here on the kitchen floor as the small poppy decimates the food contained in the flour. The leaves grow a special kind of biscuit made for poppies containing additional nutrients. And this young forager is determined to find everything she can. Spared no expense. But that's my brother, not me. Different Attenborough. The food in the leaves will help her grow big and strong, so that she can bite her owner and pull him round a field like a madman, shouting like a crazy fool while she runs rings around him. Of course, for this he will love her. For the sighting of the common fluffy duck, this young pooch knows she's in for a treat, as the duck is also full of valuable food. Her owner receives a text message, which wasn't expected. But it's probably from one of his friends asking about an update, because he's been sending messages because the dog ate his slippers yesterday. And she wants to come and eat this on my knee. As such, requiring a camera adjustment. Oh, this is great viewing. Well done, Pooch. Come on then. From the other angle, we're famously familiar with Loft's camera work. Speaking of whom, hello. Hello. Good Lord. You're not giving us the best angle there. Oh, hang on, that's not terrible actually. Welcome to my kitchen again, for those who've not seen it before. Let's see if that will stay there with the crunching. That's a no. Production value, high quality. But you don't want to see me, so let's try and arrange this again. See you with a better camera angle, folks.